Hey there, newbies. Congratulations on getting your goodies in the mail. If you haven't gotten them already, you will be soon. I just wanted to quickly just explain to you how to set up your compact. I always do it in the order that I apply it to my face. So I like to take the highlight and put that first, then my contour, my lip and cheek color, and then my illuminator. If you have multiple colors, then I can explain to you how to organize that in a larger compact. So real quick, I wanted to go ahead and show you how to use your 30-second hack. Most of you that are beginners usually start with the main brush. We do have a lot of other amazing brushes that help with your contour and, you know, a lot of fun tricks that you can do with those. But as for now, I just wanted to show you how to apply with your 30-second hack. And my boys are yelling in the background, I'm so sorry. Okay, so real quick, you're just gonna dab that into your all over color and start stippling that on your face. I already have some makeup on, but I'm just showing you how it's buildable and how you can use it and apply it. And y'all, this is super lightweight, so don't worry about it ever feeling too heavy. Even I'm adding makeup now and it does not feel like I'm adding anything to my skin. So I'm going in under my eyes and wherever I feel like I would see redness or want my desired coverage, I'll go in and just dab that and then brush it on, smooth it out, stipple it on the face. You'll do that all over your face until you get your desired coverage. And then you'll go in next with your 30-second hack. If you just have one brush, you'll go back in and you'll flip the brush around and use the pointed side. So you'll just sweep that into your contour color and then you will brush it upward and make your line in the hollows of your cheek. You don't want to go too far down because we don't want to make our faces sag, but you also don't want to go too far in. So you want to stop about the center of the pupil down and just brush on your line upward and then blend upward, creating that shadow. And then you'll do the same on the other side, just like that, and then blend up. Okay, I still feel like I don't have on a ton of makeup, y'all. It's the best. I'm so excited that you're giving this a try and getting out there. Okay, so if you have a lighter color, then you'll go in and put that in under your eyes. And I can explain that to you a little bit further in detail if you're one of those girls that likes to explore opportunity with makeup and likes to play in it and adds more of a pop to their cheekbone. So now that I have all my all over color and my contour, then I'll go in with my cheek color. So as far as your cheek color goes, you can still use this one brush. I just recommend you give it a good clean after. That way you're not mixing your pinks and reds in with your highlight colors. We do have a really good brush cleaner. It's called Restore. And all you do is give it a few sprays and then swirl it on a washcloth and it makes it like brand new. It also conditions the bristles. So it's definitely a good thing to put on the wish list if you don't have it already. But for your cheek color, you'll just dab this side of the brush into your cheek color and then just press it on the apples of your cheek. Just like that, and then you can blend it out. Just like that. Now, my experienced contour people like to usually give a little bit more shadow to their face, and you're more than welcome to. If you don't want to just do the hollows of your cheek, I always like to shade it upward like this. I go back in and just kind of shade it upward on the temples. And then again under the jawline, creating a shadow down there. Just like that, and then I just fan it down. Okay, and then for the illuminator, girls, this stuff is so gorgeous. We have 3 different kinds. We have pearl, we have rose gold, and we have one called honey. And all 3 of them look good on any skin tone. So if you want all 3 as a collection, then have at it. So right now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate what pearl looks like, and I'm going to put it on right here above my cheekbone and then on my brow bone. and it just catches the light and so beautifully. It gives you that extra glow and that extra pop. I also like to put it on my bridge of the nose, and sometimes even on my little Cupid's bow. And there are times that I even like to put it on my lips. It gives it just that extra gloss and glow. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. But y'all, that's simple, easy. It's makeup in minutes, and it's absolutely gorgeous on. So if you haven't given it a try yet, I can't wait to color match you and send me your selfies and facing natural light, and we'll get you started.